Hey everyone, so we left Santa Barbara. We've gotten into our new location. We didn't stay much in Santa Barbara. We wanted to try to avoid some of the traffic on our way over here, which I think we did for the most part. But you'll see soon where we are.
Alright, this is our room. We're staying here for 4 nights. This is our bathroom, vanity, showers, spacious and bright, white, beige, right? I guess that. And then this is our closet. I don't know. So this is our room, king size bed. Let me see if this one works. Yeah, that one works. We got, I think this is a pull-out couch. Yep. We're really close to Disneyland, so we're on the opposite side right now. It's just across the street. This is our desk, TV, and fridge, coffee, tea area. This way. So we'll be using that to store our food that we've been carrying around.
So we are staying here for 4 nights, 15,000 points each, and because we're World of Hyatt members, we're getting parking free, which is pretty good because I think we saved around $100 on that. It would have been like 20 something a night. Tomorrow we're going to a pretty cool place. I'm sure you already know where it is. And Andrea, you want to share a little bit about that or save it?
We're going to be going to Disneyland for 3 days. Disney California Adventure the first day, and then Disneyland Park the next 2 days. We've never been there before, so it will be our first time, and they have so many new things opening up, like Adventures Campus and new rides that we haven't tried before. We're really excited.
One of our hacks is to try to get some of the merch, shirts, hats, whatever here at Target. Andrea wants some shirts, so we're gonna see if we can find anything instead of buying them at the park, which is most likely a lot more expensive than it would be here. Find anything?
No.
We weren't able to find what we needed. They didn't have any shirts. But it's fine. We have other stuff, and maybe we'll find something somewhere else. For now, I think we're going to back to the hotel, right?
Yes. Wardrobe malfunction. Not helping, I can't do this.
We are getting some change because the less glamorous side of travel is that you do have to do laundry, especially if we've been out here this long. We found a good spot here in the hotel so we don't have to go anywhere. Pretty convenient. I think our next stop will be
Downtown Disney. Chewbacca. Oh, I got the wrong thing. How does it look? It feels weird. So very fluffy. Looks like you're carrying him on your back, right? I mean, there's some space. Moves around, but it's pretty small. Look at that cute face. Here's some new lounge fly bags. and you can store your ears, so you can carry 2 sets of minky ears. It's like this. It doesn't work that well, but you zip it up so you can showcase the ears. The design is actually the ears themselves in different colors. Lots of pockets, and the inside is also the same turquoise color. I ordered the Mexico City, and first of all, the presentation is really nice. It comes with pepper jack cheese, onion ring, jalapenos, and chipotle mayo, and all orders come with a pickle and fries. I mean, I don't think I can fit this in my mouth, but I'm gonna try. Get a small piece. It's really messy, but the onion ring batter is really good. It tastes sweet and crunchy. I could barely bite into the burger itself, but the meat is good. It's fresh. It has like pieces of onion inside. And the pickled jalapenos and other veggies are really fresh and tangy. And I'm starting to get that spice on my mouth. It's really good. The bun's fresh. I think it was a good choice coming here.
Okay, I got the Texan burger. It has bacon, barbecue, the onion ring. It's normally what I like to eat, and of course, being from Texas, I'm excited to try this one. So I would say those burgers were definitely worth it. Meat was great quality. Barbecue, of course, makes it taste much better. The fries were good too. Everything was very fresh and not too greasy. You know, some burgers sometimes can be pretty greasy. What'd you think of your burger, babe?
It's good. I finished it off. But the meat was very lean, so I'm a fan of that. We're gonna go check out more stuff here at Downtown Disney. Rice Krispie treats. We're here at the trading post, and there's so many things that I want to buy. It's kind of hard to control myself, but I'll wait till we get to the parks and I can choose my souvenir. You can see everything's Star Wars themed. Found a lot of cool shirts. I don't know where I'm headed. Tatooine? Endor?
Yeah, guys, if y'all get a chance to come to the trading post, definitely recommend it. A lot of cool stuff here. Okay, guys, well, that concludes a great first day here at Downtown Disney. We're gonna call it a night. We're gonna sleep early because tomorrow we'll be waking up early to check out all the rides. We're excited to be here.
I'm just thinking what's gonna happen tomorrow. There's so many things we want to do. We'll try to plan it out tonight so we can get everything done and take advantage of our time tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow for our first day, which will be in Disney California Adventure.